Welcome to cryptocurrency mobile mining and trading. On this video, we are going to cover complaints about migration of Bitcoin. Please subscribe to the channel. Before we proceed, make sure you have subscribed and you have liked the video and comment. If you have any questions or additional comment, please do so to support the channel. Now, there is a major complaint on Pi migration as of late, and people are very much stressed. So let's go through this. Pi migration, Pi network mainnet users complain about major migration issues. The migration of the Pi coin may be stuck due to missed steps like two-factor authentication or email confirmations in step 3. For safety, the user's Pi was returned to the Pi app. And again, my friends, why should you fail to do this? Let me explain this because I have done on my side, and I would not like you to miss migration. For you to verify, listen to this please, can be very keen. To verify 2FA, two-factor authentication, go and copy your passphrase. After copying it, go to Pi app. Then move to mainnet. On the mainnet checklist, click mainnet checklist number 3. On number 3, if you click it, paste that passphrase there. After pasting, place submit or OK button at the bottom. Then you will be redirected to go and check your email. Now, move to the email inbox. Click the email from Pi network. And then click on the blue link that says verify your migration wallet. When you click that link, the window, the link will go to Pi app, and it will load for some seconds depending on your internet strength, and it will tell you that the verification is successful. And that's all. It's a very simple task, and I'm going to make a video just on that only. I'll make a video on that. I'm waiting for one of my clients, my guys who I invited to have that issue so that I can take screenshots barring the personal information to just guide you on how to do these 2FA steps so that you may not miss the migration. So let's go through this issue. Many users of the Pi network are posting about their frustrations on social media over the long delays in the migration in migrating their mined Pi coins to their wallet. They are complaining about how they are stuck in the final steps for months despite completing all the required actions. But the issue here, I'm not reading here, this is from my head. Any moment you mine, at the same time, don't exit the app immediately after mining. Make sure you watch those 2 ads, and after those 2 ads, if you have done KYC and it had issues, you will see a pop-up that will be telling you have been invited for liveness check. If liveness check was okay and you have not verified your email, there will be a pop-up telling you to verify your wallet. If you are told to verify your wallet, just follow the steps I had said before. As you wait for my next video, I'll do it. I don't like when people are stuck for months. One user has voiced this issue on Reddit saying, when finally my Pi will be migrated to my wallet, when finally, okay, he's not typing the proper English, but he means this. When will my Pi finally migrate to my wallet? Despite completing all required steps, the user is stuck in the final ninth step in the migration for months. Following this, many other users have joined the conversation who are also facing the same issue. One Redditor expressed, I have been awaiting for months and no one tells me what's going on. Others echoed similar complaints, some stating they have been stuck for over 10 months, even though friends who completed KYC at the same time have already received their Pi in their wallets. This is a big issue. Users on X also raised similar concerns as they have been forced to redo their 2FA. Yogesh revealed that he had already completed the process back in 2019. However, in the second migration wave, he was unable to verify his 2FA. He's here, and this is his comment. I have already had my first migration 3 years ago, and now suddenly it's showing like this today, and we are not getting any email to verify 2FA. Please, PICO team help. PCT means PICO team. Confirm your wallet. You have confirmed the wallet, but you need to finish the two-factor authentication process to get migrated. My friends, this is a very simple task. You don't need to worry about this. Just copy and paste the phrase on the number 3 on your mainnet checklist, then go to email, follow that link, and you'll be successfully verified. Your wallet will be verified. This is not an issue to discuss it over months. I pity you guys. The community members came up with suggestions. The migration of the Pi coin may be stuck due to missed steps like 2FA or email confirmations in step 3 for safety. The user's Pi was returned to Pi app. Once done, the migration will start again. After the Pi tokens move to mainnet, there will be a 14-day wait. Then, the unlocked Pi will be ready to use, while the locked Pi stay locked until the selected lockup time is over. However, others confirmed they had done everything correctly with no violations and were still in limbo. Some users may add successful migrations, usually when their lockup period expired. But second migration and bonus calculations appear to be on hold until all first migrations are completed. According to long-time users, this delay is not usual for Pi Network, which has often emphasized patience since its early days in March 14, 2019. One user commented, even the core team can't tell you when your migration will happen. It's just the way this project works. So, due to the overwhelming conversations on Reddit and X, users are divided. Some are loyal, long-term orders urging patience, while others are frustrated by the delays. However, both groups are still looking for more transparency and faster progress from Pi network team so they can finally access their Pi coins. Read that? You can check on this. This is on White saying why 2FA matters. Stops hackers even if they have your passphrase. That's very right. Protects your Pi during mainnet migration. Get me right? Boost trust in the Pi ecosystem. Why can't you do this, my friend? Copy your passphrase, go to mainnet number 3, paste it there, go to email, follow the link, and you are done. Without 2FA, scammers exploit weak accounts. Enable it now. Pi network rolled out 2FA on March 13, 2025. Wallet migration to mainnet. Verify your trusted email to confirm your wallet. If 2FA isn't done in 14 days, your Pi safely returns to the mining hub. No scam can bypass this. Yes? How long until this so-called second Pi migration actually happens when millions of users still haven't received their mined Pi? It's like moving on the phase 2 while phase 1 is still a mess. No clear dates, no clarity, just more waiting wrapped in buzzwords. Let's move to another Pi post. The Pi is in your old wallet is gone. The Pi in your old wallet is gone. Unless you can remember the passphrase, but the new one will receive your second migration. So, my friends, this post was just about Pi migration and the issues guys are getting. The best thing to do is to make sure you verify your migration wallet. Nothing more, and you'll be safe. Right? Subscribe to this channel, like the video, hit the bell button, turn on notifications, and welcome again to cryptocurrency mining and trading via mobile and laptop. Feel good. Bye bye. See you on my next video.